Hi babe, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I go from this right here to this bouncy bob wig. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching this video. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the wig we are working with for this tutorial. I already wigged the hair, colored it, and this is what we are starting out with. First, these are the two products I'm going to be using: my heat protectant spray and my Moroccan argan oil serum. I've reviewed these two products on my channel. List of argan oil serums I recommend, list of heat protectant sprays that I recommend, so you can check my channel for those products. I'm starting out by applying the Moroccan argan oil serum all over the hair. If the first one I took, I don't think it was enough, so I'm going to go back in and apply a little bit more to my hand, massage the product in and apply it directly to the hair, from the bottom part to the sides of the hair to the back of the hair, and of course the up parts of the hair. I'm going to start combing through the hair, and after I'm done combing through the hair, I'm going to start sectioning the hair. By sectioning the hair, I'm taking out the up part of the hair to allow me see the bottom part. I'll start styling the hair from the bottom part and work my way to the up part. So invest in getting hair clips to allow you section off a part of the hair. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of the argan oil serum to the bottom part of the hair, because from the way we applied the hair, you notice that the focus was more on the up part. So this is just to further ensure that the strands of the hair is moisturized. All of the strands are moisturized. I'm going to comb through the hair now, and after I finish combing through the hair, I'm going to reach out for my heat protectant spray, because before you apply heat to your hair extension, you need to ensure that you have heat protectant spray on the hair to prevent any sort of heat damage. So spray the heat protectant spray and start working in small sections to straighten the hair. I'm trying to achieve a bob look for this wig, so I'm taking out a small section of the hair and I'm going to clip that up part away to allow me work with the smaller section of the hair. I'm going to use my hairpin and just pin it upwards, and I'll start working with the smaller section. Like I said in my previous video, if you didn't watch my previous video, working with smaller sections are best. It's best to work with small sections when you're trying to style your wigs, because it allows you get heat on the hair really well and you get the style that you want more effectively. So straighten the hair in small sections. So I'm clipping away this other side, it's right here, and I'm going to start straightening this other part of the hair. So I put the hair straightener from the up part and I take it all the way down, and when it starts getting towards the tip of the hair, I bulb it inwards. So be very patient while you're styling your wig to enable you achieve the most beautiful look ever. And you can see from the way the strands of this wig, the strands of the hair is, I love the quality of the strands of this hair. It's really nice. This hair is super double drawn Vietnamese straight hair, and it's really beautiful to work with. If you want to purchase this wig, reach out to my business page on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair to purchase this wig. It's something you're definitely going to love, because of course it's super double drawn Vietnamese hair and the quality of the strands from what you can see is amazing. It's really good, and this wig is actually very affordable. I think it retails for 85,000 naira, which is approximately, let's say, 110 to $115, which is really affordable. So if you're looking for a bob wig and you like this particular wig right here, reach out to me on Instagram and I'll DHL it to you wherever you are in the world. So back to styling the wig. working with small section, and I'm trying to ensure I get that perfect bob at the end of the week. So after I comb through the hair, I use my hair straightener to straighten the hair, and when I get to the tip of the hair, I bob it in. Then I go back to a section I haven't worked on, spray my heat protectant spray, start straightening the hair, and bob it at the tip of the hair. Yes, so be very patient and ensure that you style the wig really well. You can see the way I bulbs that hair in there, and you can see how it has a little bit of a bounce to it. So go back into another section and get hair that we're going to start straightening. And as you hold the hair, come through it, apply your heat to the hair and straighten it. When you get towards the tip, you fold it inwards with the coiling one to form that bulb at the bottom part, and do the same thing on this other side right here. You fold it inwards to achieve the bulb look. And the thing about this particular wig is, as much as I'm straightening it because it's a straight hair, I can also choose to style this wig to be wavy. I can choose to make it be like a wavy hair instead of it being straight. So you're not restricted to just wearing this wig as straight. You can also choose to style this wig as a wavy hair. So it's not just straight. You can wear it as, you can also wear it as wavy. But for this particular tutorial, I'm styling this wig to be a straight bob wig. If you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends who is also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So far, you can see the key product that I'm using to style this wig is just my Moroccan argan oil serum and my heat protectant spray. There are a wide range of heat protectant sprays that are available in your beauty supply store that you can work with. Anyone that you have available, work with your heat protectant spray to protect the hair from excessive heat damage, and also work with a serum. I prefer using the Moroccan argan oil serum because, man, argan oil is just really good. Apply the serum to your hair to moisturize it because you don't want your strand to be too dry. You don't want to dry out your hair. So moisturize the hair to apply that moisture to the hair, and use your hair straightener to straighten the hair and style it to the desired bob look that we want. Also, guys, please check out my website. Go to my website to purchase my ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test quality. Those are 2 ebooks that I have for you if you're somebody who is just trying to get into the hair extension business. You want to start selling hair, but you really don't know much about hair. I feel like these books are going to be very, very valuable for you to get that knowledge that you need to thrive in your hair business. And don't forget, it takes time to do well in business. The hair industry is pretty much very, very competitive. There are lots of people doing the hair business. If you're somebody who is trying to get into the hair business, or you're in the hair business, but you just feel like you're not really getting sales, or sales comes this month, it doesn't come this other month, or you have sales this week, you don't have sales this other week, just know that you're not a failure. It's normal, it's part of business. We are doing a business that is capital intensive. It's not like you're selling a product that is 1,000 naira or $10 or $20. It takes a while for somebody to be able to bring out a large chunk of money to buy your wigs. So just be patient, like persist. Having slow periods in your business is completely normal. The key thing is, so long as you never give up, and just try as much as possible to keep on improving your craft. And let's say you have this particular wig you've been trying to sell for a while, but you're having difficulty selling it. One thing that I personally do a lot is I'll recolor the wig, I'll change the style, and sample it again. So if you have a particular hair that you've been trying to sell for so long but nobody seems to be buying it, just keep on marketing it, style it in a different way, and just keep putting it out there, and hopefully somebody's definitely going to buy that hair from you. So just never give up and just keep pushing your craft as much as you possibly can. Back to the tutorial. Yes, styling the wig. You can see how I'm taking my time, and when it gets towards the bottom part of that hair, sort of lift it upwards and bob it down, so it has a bit of a bounce at the bottom area. So I'm going to keep on doing this same thing until I finish the entire look. You can see I'd already finished one side of the wig. I'm trying to complete this other side right here before I proceed to styling the closure area. This particular wig right here is a 2x4 closure wig, and it's made with 2 bundles of super double joint Vietnamese hair. I believe the bundles are two 10-inch bundles. Yeah, so this is a 10-inch wig, Vietnamese super double joint hair, and the strands of this hair are amazing, if I do say so myself. But from looking at this video, I'm quite sure you can see how lovely the strands of this hair, the quality of this hair is really nice. Like I said, this wig is available for sale and it's just 65,000 naira, equivalent to $115. If you like it, please hit me up on Instagram on @ENL Beauty Hair, ENL Beauty Hair on Instagram. Just send me a DM and we'll discuss how I can ship this hair to you via DHL, because I ship all over the world with DHL. So guys, don't forget to please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, sharing with somebody who you feel is also going to get value out of it. Yeah, we are almost at the end of the styling process of this hair. I think I noticed that the hot coiling one wasn't on at this point. I had to just quickly put it on and continue with styling the hair. Yeah, so the styling tools you use, that after an hour the styling tool might turn off, so you need to always check and put it back on. So for the closure area to style it, I applied my hair wax. I like using the hair wax to lay down any flyaway hairs, and I'm using my hot coiling wand. For some reason, I just prefer the hot coiling one to the hot comb. I have a hot comb, but I just prefer this hot coiling one. So use your hot coiling one and flatten the hair on the closure area on both sides, and also the hair on the back of the closure area to cover up the weft that was sewn in there. Make sure you take your time and do this so that you get a very clean, beautiful look. Style the hair really well until you are happy with what you have. If you have to go back in and apply your hair wax and flatten the hair, please do that. So guys, this is the finished look, guys. I'm just trying to flatten the hair a bit more on the closure area. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you got value out of it, please, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. So for the bottom part of the wig, you will notice that it's a bit uneven, so I'm going to use my hair clipper and start trimming it off. I'm really sorry, I used my big head to cover the screen. I tend to film my videos alone, so there's nobody watching from behind to ensure that everything is in focus. So at this point right here, I didn't realize that my head was covering most of what I was doing. But what I'm doing right here is just using a clipper to clean out the ends of the hair to ensure that they are all leveled. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have an amazing life.